What is pH? Well, we know it's potential of hydrogen ion. But the thing is, why do we need pH? Remember, the solutions are going to have H plus ion and OH ion concentration very small. So if we need to understand the acidic or basic nature of solution, it is a convenient way to express it in pH. Let's see. As I told you, the H plus ion and OH ions are usually very small, so it's very difficult to explain in terms of such a small quantity. Hence, Sorensen gave a pH scale in 1909. So, who gave pH scale? Sorensen. And Sorensen said if H plus ion concentrations are small, we can express them in pH. Remember, we are studying Arrhenius acids and bases, and we are talking about weak acids and weak bases. And Oswald clearly said as dilution increases, alpha increases. So if you want more H plus or more OH minus to be produced, we need to add lot of water. If we are adding lot of water means volume increases, concentration decreases. So our solution will always be a dilute solution. So, in dilute solution, to know acidic or basic behavior, the best way is pH scale. So, pH scale we will see, but let's first see its definition. pH is potens the hydrogen, means potential of hydrogen ion, and the formula is minus log to the base 10 concentration of H plus. I repeat, we are dealing with dilute solutions, and dilute solutions will always have lower concentration. Correct? Okay. So pH of the solution may be defined as negative logarithm to the base 10 of the molar concentration of H plus. Okay. And mathematically it's given by this formula. Or you may learn it. H plus is 10 raised to minus pH. Please, in exam, you have to use these shortcuts. Okay? Let's proceed further. Now, if I tell you, H plus is 10 raised to minus 3, what will be its pH? Minus log to the base 10. Correct? Do we have time to do all these things? No. By the way, what is the answer you will be getting? Correct? So what shortcut we have? Whatever is the power, that comes as an answer. So if H plus is 10 raised to minus 3, pH becomes 3. Okay. And if pH is 4, what will be H plus? We saw just now. Is it okay? These shortcuts we can use only when the number is whole number. But if the number is with decimal, we can't just come to this conclusion. We will see all these things later. Okay? Let's proceed further now. As we have studied pH, Sorensen gave pH scale, but from pH scale we also derived POH. So, what will be POH? Potence of hydroxide ion. And how do we calculate it? Correct? Oh, I want to know OH minus. No issues. It is going to be correct. Okay.